Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Euclid University. Let's get started. So to log into your Euclid University, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Euclid University login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says login to Euclid University. After searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option which says login Euclid University. After tapping on that option, now you just have to scroll down, and over here you can log into your university by just entering email address or login name and then entering the password. So after entering your details, now you just have to tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on reset or recover your password. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then you can easily reset or recover your account's password by tapping on click here if you have forgotten your password option. Just tap on this option, and by tapping on this option you can easily create a new password for your account. But if you are unable to create a new password for your account, then what you can do is just tap on register and then create a new account. Just create a new account and you can use that account. But if you do remember your password, or you can recover your password by tapping on this option, then what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your university. This is how to log into your Euclid University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.